There are lots of us out there that do everything they can to process jobs efficiently and build up their social profiles with content in the hopes of getting seen and ranked on Google. It seems like making a name for yourself never ends, but where does all this sweat equity get you? Today, Matthew Jones from Powderworks Dallas Fort Worth is back, and we're giving you the deets on free and easy ways to effectively manage your projects, know whether your search engine results are paying off, and if your efforts are getting you ranked at all. Are you hitting those industry benchmarks? And if so, what are they? Buckle up, you're going to learn a thing or two. This is a long one, but stick around to the end as Matthew and I tie it all together. Get ready to level up your powder coder game.